What's up, boys and girls? Welcome to today's video where I'll show you how to get started in Elin as a beginner. We're going to cover some essential tips and strategies to help you navigate the game effectively. If this video helps you out, be sure to like it. Now, let's get started. First up, let's talk about the basics. When you start Elin, you'll be greeted with an in-game tutorial. This is super helpful, as it introduces you to the key mechanics of the game. Take your time with this tutorial to learn about the controls, crafting, and survival mechanics. It lays a solid foundation for your gameplay experience. Next, we need to discuss crafting and gathering resources. In the early game, you'll want to focus on collecting essential items like the needle, big leaf, and tightrope. For example, you can find big leaves by harvesting palula trees, which can be done at various growth stages. These items are vital for crafting tools and other essential equipment that will aid you on your journey. Exploration is key in Elin. As you wander the world, you'll find numerous materials that can help you survive. Keep an eye on your character's stamina and health. Managing these stats is crucial, otherwise you might face some setbacks. Don't forget to search for hidden items that can enhance your gear and abilities as you explore. Now, let's move on to combat. The game features a mix of melee and ranged weaponry. Start off by practicing your combat skills on smaller creatures. This will build your confidence and skill level before you take on tougher foes. Pay attention to your movements and learn when to evade or counterattack to maximize your combat effectiveness. Finally, as you progress through the game, you'll unlock recipes for crafting advanced equipment. Make sure to keep track of what materials you need, as some of the better gear requires rare items that you can find in specific locations or from particular enemies. Gathering these resources early will pay off big time when you're ready to craft powerful equipment. And that wraps up our beginner's guide to Elin. I hope these tips help you get started on your adventure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gaming content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.